Hello, Great Plains team, and welcome to The Road to Success, where you deliver the questions and we wheel out the answers.
Hello, I'm Terrence. I'm in the shop. Brian in 2103 asked, how long do I need to be here with a clean, safe record before I can get my truck speed increased? Right now, all of our trucks are governed at 68 miles per hour, and that is where we're at. We don't have anything that's any trucks that are governed faster than that. David in 9028, he asked, why is the bonus set so high when we have trucks that are not running right? If you have any sort of an issue with your truck, please make sure that you communicate with the shop or the breakdown department, and then we will get you taken care of. Communicate that with the maintenance department and operations, and then we will create events to get you routed to get those items addressed as soon as possible.
Hey, good afternoon. So Charles had a question. Who do I talk to, or where do I go to find out where I can get an empty trailer washout? So download the Blue Beacon app on your phone. It'll tell you if there's one close. If it is, you can go there. We have an account. You just give them your truck, trailer number, sign it. Payment's already taken care of. If there's not a Blue Beacon nearby, google.com. Search for truck and trailer wash near me. If there is one, you can go there, get it done. You can pay out of pocket. We'll reimburse you, or you can call in, or rather send in a expense request, and we'll just cut you a comp check for the cost of the trailer washout.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week when we answer more of your questions and comments. This is The Road to Success, signing off.